Definitely something you'd have to manage, though. I feel like delta neutral strategies are high maintenance.
Oh, for sure. But I mean, it just kind of depends on what are your objectives and
True.
like, I mean, think about this, and I've said this many times. If you want to be a painter and you want to make a little painting for your mom to hang in the fridge, like you could probably spend 20 minutes a week, and that would be enough. But if you want to be a professional painter and make a living from paintings, you probably need to spend more than a few hours every day
Yeah.
studying, practicing, doing your gear, or like whatever you need. So this is the same. If you want to do low risk, low maintenance, then you're going to have a lower APY. And then if you want to like really become profitable, then you really need to step up your game and be able to manage this. But my thought process is that if this is a business and this business is giving me returns, then
Why wouldn't you?
why wouldn't I spend some time managing my business? Because this is not like I'm playing Farmville that I'm spending 3 hours a day for no return. Like this is okay. This is my business. In the same way that if you work in a like if you're employed, you have to spend time at that business, and that business is going to pay you. This is no different. This is a business, and you have to spend a few hours every day managing your business, and that's giving you returns. Why not? I mean, only you can decide if it's worth it for you or not. In my case, spending as much time as I need doing this is more profitable than working anywhere in where I live. So why not?
Beautiful. Beautiful. I wouldn't have said it better.
All right, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you next time.